Good day everyone, welcome to Deco Graphic Design. Today I'm going to show you how to mock up your design using Photopea. I discovered that some people find it difficult to use this Photopea. It's very simple to use. It's just for you to understand the concept and how to use it. And some people find it difficult to download PSD file as well. And again, I discovered that some people can only use glass mockup. Only glass mockup. They can only use that using Photopea. They cannot run other PSD file on their phone. So today I'm going to show you this. The steps are so simple. So just stay tuned, watch the video to the end so that you can be able to know how to run other mockup aside from glass mockup. I run any kind of mockup on my Photopea using Photopea. It's just that each of these mockup, the hour, the times, the time it will take to load it differ. Some mockup will load faster, while some will take longer time before they be able to load. So anytime you are working with Photopea, you have to watch extraordinary patience. Just let it load. When it load finish, it will bring your result. You understand? It will work perfectly like Photoshop, although there is difference between this Photopea and Photoshop. You can't do the thorough editing. For instance, after you finish your design, you cannot be able to edit it to some extent. You can only remove or off the design. You cannot manipulate or edit unlike the Photoshop. Just watch the tutorial to the end. Like me, I prefer using the Chrome browser to enter their site to mock up my design. Why some people prefer the app, but I do suggest the Chrome browser instead of the app, because the app, if you don't have the premium, the way the ad normally pop up, it will affect what I'm doing. That's why I always suggested people to be using the Chrome and type www.photopea.com. Enter the site and you mock. You see there won't be any ad till you will finish your design. The first thing you will do is that come to your Chrome. As you see, I'm in my own Chrome browser. Type www.photopea.com. photopea.com. Now the site is loading now. You see, this is the interface, this is the working area. The next thing you will do is that come to your file at the left hand side. When I click here, you see the option. The next thing you will do is that click on open. It will pop up these particular options. Click on download. Click on download. Good. When you click on download, the next thing I wanted to do is to select my mockup file. I want to select my mockup file. So you must download you must have download the mockup file before you start working with Photopea, because it has to do with what? With PSD file. So the next thing you will do is that select your mockup file, but I want to choose another mockup file. I want to choose another mockup file so that for you to be able to know that you can run any kind of a mockup file. It just depends on the time each of this mockup will load. The time differ. So the next thing I click this one, you wait a little bit for it to load. You understand? And at times you can check the size of the PSD file, mockup file that you wanted to download. You understand? When you check it, you see it's load faster. You see, this is the mockup file. The next thing you will do is that come to your layer, lay, click on lay. But before you click on lay, just back like this. Look for this particular PSD file and click on it. Why do I click on it? Click on it to load. It means you are pointing, draw the attention, or commanding this particular app, this particular site, that you want to deal with what? You want to deal with that particular PSD. And when it's loading, you see, once downloading, it will show you. Now downloading, I will click this. You see, what is brought before is quite different from this. Now you will see where you will see logo design or your logo here. Double click it. You see, when you double click it, you see it is loading. Good. And hide this one, your logo here, just hide it. There is an eye icon beside it, just click it once. I've hide it. You see, it's until when you are able to see this transparent background that you can be, that is when you can say your mock-up are ready to what, are ready for working. But when you are not to reach this particular stage, you cannot boldly to what, to go to proceed on the next step. It's until when you are able to get into this area, and the steps are not far-fetched. Immediately you import your design, you import your mock-up file, PSD file. Just look for it. You see many options like this. Although each mock-up depends on the option it will showcase at the top like this. So at times you see some that will have two options. You will see the PSD file and you will see the preview. Just click on PSD file, click on your lay, and go and double tap where you see my logo or your logo here. Just double tap it. When you double tap it, you will see another layer will pop up. Just go, you will see, when you see another layer, the next thing you will see is that you will see eye icon beside it. Just click on it the way we normally hide our work on Pixlr. Just click it, it will be hidden, it will be hidden. So the next thing you will do, back it, click on lay again, you will see that everything will turn to transparent background like this. So immediately you see something like this, it means you can proceed with the next step. Click file again at the left hand side and click open and place. You see it pop up another option where you see download. Click on download. Now I'm going to import my PNG design. You must have already designed a PNG logo or stuff like that to import. Now I've imported it. It's loading. You have to wait a little bit. It's loading now. You see it's done loading. The next thing you will do is that spread it so that the design will not be will not be too small. Just spread it well. Spread it. And let it straight. You see? You have to spread it. You see the way I'm doing it. I don't want it to be too small. Now, after you might have spread it very well, you understand. The next thing you will do is that just click on this file again. You want to process it. You see, and look for save. Open bracket, smart object, close bracket. You see this. Assuming you are working with system, you just click Ctrl S. But here I'm working with what? I'm running it on my phone. You see, when you click file, you see option save with smart object. You will save it there. So let me give you an it. Just click on it once and wait. You might, when you click it, you might see that nothing shows. Like you click anything, just leave it. When you touch it once, it is loading. Once it's done loading, this option this option that is showcased will disappear. You see, smart object updated. You now wait a little bit. So for you to know that it has done loading or it has done processing your work, continue clicking on that mockup. You will see mockup out of these 8 available options you are seeing at the top of this particular design. You will see 8. Look for what? Look for the one that has to do with PSD. Continue clicking on it and click on layer. Immediately it's done. It will not respond when it is loading. When it is loading your work, but immediately it's done loading or it's done processing your work, you see it will respond automatically. You understand? When it will respond, rest assured that your work is what is done. Let's see now. I will click on what? I'm clicking on the PSD and I'm clicking on lay. You see, I'm clicking on the two together. Since I've clicked it once, I've double clicked it, I will leave it. You see it, it has pop up. You see, because I click on lay shows. But I click on the on my PSD first before I click on lay. So that's why the logo, when it's done processing, show first before the lay. You will now click lay to back. Then you come to your come to your file again. Yet click on export. Click on PNG. You wait a bit. When you click on PNG, it will load. You see, and click on save. Click on download. It's as simple as that. Now let's check the work. You see it. This is my logo. You see, the process is so much simple. If you need any kind of mock-up design that are that are not big like this, that are very small inside, that you can run easily, you can don't hesitate to DM. My WhatsApp number is on my YouTube description, including my Facebook page, including my my Instagram user name page. You can you can DM me. I will be able to attend to you. And don't forget, if you like my video, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be able to be notified whenever I post any video like this. Thanks.